25 facts about trains, past, present, and future. All aboard. From rumbling steam engines to sleek, futuristic pods, trains have shaped our world. Join us as we explore 25 fascinating facts about these iron horses, delving into their history, mechanics, and the exciting innovations that lie ahead. Let's start with the nuts and bolts, or rather, the wheels and rails that make these metal behemoths move. Understanding the mechanics is key to appreciating the ingenuity behind train travel. The secret to a train's stability lies in its wheels. Flanged wheels are designed with a lip that fits snugly against the rails. This simple yet effective design keeps the train securely on track, preventing derailment even on curves. Diesel-electric locomotives are workhorses of modern rail. They use powerful diesel engines to generate electricity. This electricity then powers electric motors, which turn the wheels and propel the train forward. Stopping a multi-ton train requires serious stopping power. Air brakes, invented by George Westinghouse, use compressed air to apply the brakes on all cars simultaneously. This ensures a smooth and controlled stop. Ever wonder why train tracks are a certain width? The standard gauge, 4 feet 8.5 inches, 1,435 millimeters, is the most common worldwide. Some historians believe it originated from the width of Roman chariots. Trains endure immense pressure and friction. Wheels and rails are made of hardened steel alloys. These specialized materials are designed to withstand the constant wear and tear of heavy loads and high speeds. Modern train car manufacturing is all about efficiency. Modular designs allow for quick assembly and customization. This approach streamlines the production process and allows for tailored solutions. High-speed trains are designed to slice through the air. Sleek, aerodynamic designs minimize air resistance. This reduces drag, allowing the train to reach incredible speeds while conserving energy. From humble beginnings to symbols of progress, trains have a rich and storied past. Let's journey back in time to explore the historical evolution of these mechanical marvels. The first steam locomotives emerged in the early 19th century. These pioneering machines revolutionized transportation. They ushered in a new era of speed and connectivity. A pivotal moment in American history, the completion of the U.S. Transcontinental Railroad in 1869. This monumental achievement connected the East and West coasts. It transformed the nation's economy and landscape. The late 19th and early 20th centuries marked the golden age of rail travel. Luxurious trains offered unparalleled comfort and style. This era was defined by opulent interiors and exceptional service. The rise of cars and airplanes led to a decline in train travel. However, growing environmental concerns have sparked a resurgence. Trains are now being recognized as a sustainable transportation option. Step inside a train from the golden age, and you'd be transported to a world of luxury. Opulent interiors featured plush seating, ornate decorations, and fine dining. Travel was an experience to be savored. Sadly, train travel in the U.S. was often marred by segregation. Racial discrimination was prevalent. This created separate and unequal experiences for passengers based on their race. The future of train travel is brimming with exciting possibilities. From levitating trains to hyperspeed pods, let's explore the cutting-edge innovations that are set to revolutionize the industry. Imagine traveling at near supersonic speeds. Hyperloop systems transport passengers in pods through near-vacuum tubes. This technology promises to drastically reduce travel times between cities. Maglev trains use powerful magnets to levitate above the tracks. This eliminates friction, allowing for incredibly smooth and fast travel. Maglev technology represents a significant leap forward in rail transportation. The future of sustainable rail is here. Hydrogen fuel cell trains are a zero-emission alternative to diesel locomotives. They produce only water as a byproduct, making them an environmentally friendly choice. Self-driving trains are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They are being tested for increased efficiency and safety. Autonomous technology has the potential to optimize train operations and reduce human error. Advanced sensors and data analytics are transforming train maintenance. These smart systems optimize performance and predict maintenance needs. This ensures trains run smoothly and safely. The future of train construction is focused on sustainability. Lightweight and sustainable materials are being used to reduce energy consumption. This eco-conscious approach minimizes the environmental impact of train manufacturing. From plush velvet seats to panoramic viewing areas, train interiors have evolved dramatically. Let's compare the luxurious designs of the past with the modern comforts of today. Modern train interiors prioritize comfort, functionality, and accessibility. Wi-Fi, power outlets, and wheelchair access are now standard features. These amenities cater to the needs of today's travelers. Enjoy the scenery like never before. Larger windows and panoramic viewing areas offer breathtaking views. This allows passengers to fully immerse themselves in the journey. Flexibility is key in modern train design. Modular seating arrangements allow for easy customization. This accommodates different group sizes and travel preferences. Say goodbye to boredom on long journeys. Integrated entertainment systems offer personalized content. Passengers can enjoy movies, music, and games at their fingertips. Bringing the outdoors in. Biophilic design incorporates natural elements for a relaxing environment. This creates a calming and restorative travel experience. Enhance your journey with augmented reality. AR overlays provide information about your surroundings. Learn about landmarks and points of interest as you pass them by. The evolution of trains reflects our relentless quest for faster, more efficient, and sustainable transportation. From the steam-powered giants of the past to the high-speed marvels of the future, trains continue to shape our world. Ready to learn more about the fascinating world of trains? Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of railway history, technology, and future innovations. Share this video with your fellow train enthusiasts and let us know in the comments which train fact surprised you the most. Don't forget to visit your local railway museum to experience the magic of trains firsthand.